Hello everyone. Our assumption and reason type question is, here the rate of reaction normally increase by a factor 2 or 3 for every 10-degree rise in temperature. That statement is true because we know that the temperature coefficient that is n on when rate constant at temperature T plus 10 degree Celsius, that is 10 degree Celsius, divided by the rate constant at T degree Celsius. Here, for most of the reaction, this value lie between that is n lie between 2 to 3. So the statement is true, that is assertion our is true. Here the reason is given behind this, increase in the temperature, increasing the number of collisions. So this is also true. Then on increasing the temperature, number of collisions is also increased. The number of collisions also increased. But the reason behind the temperature coefficient, that is increasing in the temperature coefficient, is not true. Why? Because that the statement A and B is true, but the reason behind it is not true, because the reason behind it is the reason activation energy and the energy, the most probable, that is the most probable kinetic energy. When we increase the temperature, we know that on increasing the temperature, that let us consider the temperature is T, and here is this is the reaction path at temperature T. Whenever 10 degree Celsius temperature is increased, the reaction rate will be this. Here, this will be the reaction path on T plus 10 degree Celsius. Here, this is the fraction of molecule, that is the fraction of molecules, change in fraction molecules, and the change in the kinetic energy of the molecules. Here, the most probable kinetic energy is the reason behind the temperature coefficient, that is lie between 2 to 3. Thank you.